Anong ano dito? Ano ko ang pinakamalaki?
Sir, karamihan po rito yung tupada po, Your Honor.
Tupada?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sabong?
Opo, kasi pag nagsasabong po kasi maramihan. So, mas marami po yung porsyento ng sabong, Your Honor.
Unless otherwise, the data that was submitted to us by your regional director is not correct. For January to February.
Actually, sir, meron from January to February.
Yung data dito, operations. Cavite, 890. For January 2023 to February 2024. Pagdating dito sa calendar year 2023, 890 din. The same as Laguna. 344, 344. Unless otherwise, the data that was submitted to us by your regional director is not correct. Laguna, that is Cavite. Laguna, PD ng Laguna. Gaano ka na ba katagal as PD?
Your Honor, I assume January 25, 2024. Up to present,
January 25, 2024. So you have around 1 month.
Yes, Your Honor.
1 month, tama, di ba? 1 month and 4 days.
Yes, Your
Kasi ang report is February 29. Now, wala kang other operations na ginawa.
Your Honor, based on my record, sir, we have conducted 348 number of operations against illegal gambling.
No, sandali. Sandali, Ang sinasabi ko dito, PD.
Yes, Your
Ang
Honor.
sinasabi ko dito is other forms of illegal gambling.
We have 38, Your Honor, sir.
38. RD. So, yung data mo,
We'll
Does that,
check on this, Your Honor.
sorry?
We will check on this, Your Honor.
Yeah, please reconcile your data. Ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Cavite. Ikaw, from January 2024 to February 2029, other illegal gambling operations. Zero ka rin kasi dito eh. And you're staying for about 6 months. So pwedeng tumira ka ng tumira hanggang December of 2023. Pagdating ng January, medyo pahinga ka.
Sir, we have 306, sir, operations.
From January 2024, ang sinasabi ko, other forms ha.
Illegal naman.
Kasi yung record mo dito, ang record mo is sa ito, illegal numbers game. Record mo 769 for calendar year 2023 to February 2024. Pero for calendar year 2023, it's only 463. So in short, tumaas ka ng almost 300. 769 and 463. In which, medyo maganda. Kasi tumaas ka eh. Di ba?
Yes, sir.
But other forms of illegal gambling, wala kang report dito. 890 pa rin. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, we will just give them the time, especially this is just an initial investigation. But ang ano ko lang dito po is, RD, please reconcile na lang po.
We'll do that, Your Honor.
And I hope the chief of the si General Francisco po, in the next hearing, please prepare na lang po yung comparative din, no? Sa lahat ng mga regions. Tapos para maka-reconcile natin, kasi you are now obliged to let your regional directors to attend in the next hearing. Anyway, initial lang naman to. Diba si IDG under sa DIDM, no? Yes, sir. Okay. So, si IDG din, siyempre, imbitahan niya next hearing. NBI. Nandito, si IDG. Okay. Anyway, and then pala si sir. Soki. Anyway, last na ng Chairman, if you allow me, no? Last na ng itong RD, itong mga other forms of illegal gambling operations, kung question of percentage and rate, anong ano dito? Ano kung pinakamalaki?
Sir, karamihan po rito yung tupada po, Your Honor.
Tupada,
Yes, Your Honor.
sabong.
Opo, kasi pag nagsasabong po kasi maramihan. So, mas marami po yung porsyento ng sabong, Your Honor.
Yung e-sabong, yung yung online, no? Which is now illegal because the president ordered to stop the operation, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
So yung mga illegal, yung mga sabong in relation to illegal isabong, wala.
Your Honor, if you are talking about isabong, wala pong isabong sa PRO 4A, Your Honor.
Hindi. Wala legal kasi illegal lahat di ba?
If
Pero
po
mayroon
yung
ba? Nagigirilya?
isabong po, isabong. Yung online na
Hindi,
sabong.
kasi, ito Ardia, kasi sa ngayon you cannot anymore identify if this tupada is related to isabong. The only proof na pwede mo sabihin na ito is intended for isabong pag may camera. Tama? Well, in fact, using platforms, even those cockpit arena that will be used for isabong is still illegal because the betting should be bet inside the cockpit. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, so yun yung RD, paki-check nyo lang kasi during the games and amusement na hearing, it was established that in some regions, I'm not saying that it is happening in region 4A, but in some regions, guerrilla operations of isabong, when I say isabong, from guerrilla cockpit area, mga makeshift lang, pero may camera, then may betting outside because of the online. So paki-check lang po kasi in other regions, it's still happening. Guerrilla lang nga po. Umiikot lang sila. Kunwari, today, dito. Tapos lilipat sa kabila. Nandun na yung mga manok. Walang spectator, walang tumataya doon. Sila lang. Well, in fact, alam na rin nga nila kung sino man nanalo, sino matatalo Kasi, yung mga manok, sa kanila din.
Tupada isabong pala yung boss.
Oh, tupada isabong. Paki-check na lang po sa mga PD ng Region 4A. Wala ba kayong na-monitor na ganon or an operation which is connected to illegal electronic sabong?
Sir, sa Quezon po, karamihan po ay guerrilla tactic na yung ginagawa nila karamihan sa mga bundukin, sir, mga walang yung mahirapan mo akyatin, wala rin mga signal. So for Quezon, wala kaming na-monitor na tupada isabong, sir.
Oh, so
Hindi, Congressman Paduano, singit lang ako doon, kapraso lang. Kasi we have to coordinate with our barangay officials, mayors, governors. Pagdating sa mga ganyan, sigurado, barangay, alam yan sa local government, alam yan Do you conduct a coordination with them or hindi na kayo nakikipag-coordinate sa kanila or duda kayo, whatever? Anong policy nyo dyan?
Sir, for Quezon, isa po yan sa best practice namin yung coordination with the local chief executives, particularly yung mga barangay.
No, again, I didn't hear that.
For Quezon, sir, isa yun po sa masasabi naming best practices. Best practice namin yung continuous coordination with local chief executives, particularly yung mga barangay, para, sir, mamonitor namin o mahuli, sir, namin yung mga nagtutupada.